Hey everybody, welcome back to Record-ology. Okay, today we're gonna be taking a look at this awesome record I came across not too long ago. This is the Bob Wills Special, Bob Wills and his Texas Playboys. This thing looks awesome. Check out the artwork on this thing. This is so cool. It's very reminiscent of like Hardy Boys artwork. You know, totally like this 1950s style cowboy. I love it. So this is very similar, I'm assuming, to like Roy Rogers, that kind of thing, like this musical cowboy. But this record looks so awesome. Harmony, a product of Columbia Records LP, Bob Wills Special, Bob Wills and his Playboys. Okay, we're gonna take a listen to this, guys. And in order to do that, we are going to be listening to the Victrola Suitcase Player. We haven't listened to this one in a while. So let's give it a little bit of a listen and see what we got. Harmony Records. Very unique. I've never seen anything like it. So, non-breakable. Very rigid record. A very interesting label. Kind of dirty, but that's okay. We're just going to go ahead and let her fly. 33 RPM. Let's listen to Bob Wills. This is awesome. Exactly what I expected, you guys. This is super cool. Let's listen to some more a little further along. Awesome, you guys. Well, there you go. Another treasure from the archives at Record-ology. I hope you enjoyed that. Check us out this weekend for our big show. In the meantime, happy record hunting. We'll see you next time.